straight to the point.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
This newscast is brought to you by Biogesic. Basta lagnat, i-Biogesic agad. Most prescribed brand ng mga doc. Kaya sa lagnat, matik. Biogesic. Ang balita hatod kaninyo sa RightMed. Kay gusto sa RightMed, mubaskog ka mo. This newscast is brought to you by Bear Brand PMD. Tibay ngayon para sa matibay na bukas.
12 international universities and colleges, 8 countries, 21 international education consultants, 13 World Connect branches, 1 big event, the World Connect International Education Expo, December 20, 2025, Saturday, 9 a.m. at Quest Hotel, Cebu City. Absolutely free. Learn, earn, live in Spain, Malta, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, and USA. Register now at World Connect Cebu. Text or call 0977-816-3100, 0977-816-3100. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. December 20, Saturday, 9 a.m. at West Hotel Cebu. The World Connect International Education Expo.
Grabe na talaga ang traffic dito sa atin, no? Walang pinapatawad. Nakakotsi na ako sa lagay na to. Paano pa kaya yung mga pumipila? Nakikipagsiksikan at nag-aabang ng masasakyan. Ini-imagine ko pa lang, grabe, sumasakit na ang katawan ko. Sa tagal ng biyahe, bugbog ang katawan, paa, balikat, tagiliran at kung ano pa. Tapos bukas, ganun na naman. Nako! Kaya hinahanda ko na sarili ko in case makaramdam ng mga sakit at kirot dahil sa araw-araw na biyahe. Parati na akong nagdadala ng paracetamol plus propifenazone plus caffeine, Saridon Triple Action. Ang pinalahat ng gamot para sa headache, body pain, dysmenorrhea, toothache, at fever. Starts to release in 5 minutes based on in vitro study. Individual response may vary. Paracetamol plus propifenazone plus caffeine is the generic name of Saridon Triple Action. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufil Fernandez Banyok sa Straight to the